I'm at Muscat Bay, where a super chic, super glamorous event just took place. And with me right now are the two women responsible for this huge event, Her Highness Saida Alia and Sheikha Umaima Al Hosni. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. It's an absolute honor to have you here.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you, it's our pleasure.
Right, so for those people who couldn't watch the event and who couldn't be here, can you explain what just happened here?
Actually, it was a dream that came true today. I've dreamt of having such a fashion show similar to what we have today. What we did today is actually we combined 4 brands together, and we wanted to introduce these brands to Amman's market because some of the people are not familiar with these names.
Right.
So this is why we came up with the idea, putting all these brands together and having this fashion show.
Right, so ma'am, we know you as a philanthropist, we know you as a fashionista, we know you as an entrepreneur, but how do you see your mom and describe your mom?
Well, I mean, I can see that she's really involved in like her company, in our company. And if you see her style generally, I see my mom, she's always stylish.
Yeah.
Very stylish. And I studied fashion design, so this actually helped my mom as well to get an opinion of a fashion designer.
Right.
So we wanted to basically show the type of styles these 4 brands can offer in Oman. So everything you saw today, whoever didn't see it, but everything that was shown today in the fashion show is spring-summer, which is the best way to introduce it in Oman, which is in the Middle East. So it's not fall-winter.
So would you say she is your fashion inspiration?
Well, actually, she's the one who changed the way I dress.
Okay.
Being in this, fashion business, actually, I changed the way I style myself. And my daughter actually helped me. We used to go, while she was studying in Milan, we used to go together. And I always take her opinion, what are the best colors that suits me.
I want her to take risks.
Yeah.
So she changed me totally, I changed, and sometimes, when we go shopping, she says, no, this color looks nice on you. And I tell her, no, this is not my favorite color. But she made me try different colors, different styles, and this is what I became.
So you became adventurous because of your daughter?
Yes.
I mean,
you have to be. You have to be in this world, actually. You
of
have
course.
to.
Right.
Having an honest opinion from her daughter is the easiest thing. Like I'm straightly gonna tell her, listen, no, this color doesn't suit you. Get a different one. This color suits you. So I give her a really straight opinion of what I think.
And even today, both of you all look gorgeous. So where are your clothes from?
This is actually, it's a Liujo. What I'm wearing today is Liujo.
One of the brands.
Yes, one of the brands, and this is also a spring-summer collection.
Okay.
But my daughter, she can talk about her own design.
Your outfit is very interesting.
I actually had a image in my head as soon as I was thinking about the fashion show. I'm like, okay, I know what outfit I'm gonna do. I just need to get bits and pieces to make this outfit.
So you're saying you designed this on your own?
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh,
yeah,
wow, this is gorgeous. So do you have your own line yet?
At the moment, no. I'm working with my mom to gain a lot of experience in this industry, in Oman especially. So inshallah in the future, after this fashion show, I want to focus mostly on building my brand,
Okay.
my fashion brand.
Inshallah, that will definitely happen.
Inshallah.
We're totally looking forward to it. But you are obviously the owner of Swan Enterprises.
And she is my partner as
And
well.
she's your partner.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So it's like a family joint venture.
Yes, it is. And we're just waiting for my son to join us once he graduates.
Okay.
So it's going to be like a family business.
That's brilliant. So what exactly is it that Swan Enterprises does?
Swan, actually, basically, we started 4 years ago. It was founded 4 years ago, but the actual start was 2 years ago when we first started with Furla and then Liujo. And Liujo Men is the first store in the GCC. We opened as well as Penny Black.
Okay.
We are the first in GCC.
Right. And where exactly are these stores?
All my stores are in Panorama Mall.
All of them,
Panorama
all
Mall,
right.
yes. And what I wanted actually to add is that all the collection that you saw today, they're going to be in our store by next week. As well, it is almost the same collection as you see them in Europe.
Right.
There might be few. It's actually the same spring-summer collection. What I'm trying to say is we might receive them a bit later than Europe because of the, bringing them to Muscat.
Right.
But normally it's the same collection that you will find in Europe, you will find it here in Oman.
But they're all going to be in the stores here very
exactly.
soon.
All, whatever you saw today,
That is
everything
extremely
gonna be.
exciting because I saw the collection and they were really amazing, which everybody could wear. I think that was the best part of the clothes that we saw today.
Yes, it did.
Right, so from both of you fashionistas, I would like to know, how have you seen the fashion